Hi, my name is Chris. I'm with Ideal Air, and we're going to go over some tips that you can do as a homeowner for your heating maintenance. Now that summer's over, we need to get ready for our heating season. Here we have a furnace. With furnaces, sometimes they are set on a platform, or they might be in your attic. So in this setup, we have a platform return. That's where our filters are going to be. So getting ready for summer, we want to make sure our filters are clean. So this is a latching filter grill. We just want to pull these out. These ones are kind of dirty, so these probably should have been replaced a couple weeks ago. So when replacing the filters, we want to make sure that we look at the size. That's 16 by 25 by 1, and the direction we're going to install it. So this is the return air, so air is going to go through the filter and into the unit. So when reinstalling, our arrow should be facing inward. Quick and easy maintenance a homeowner can do in preparation to the weather change. So when we're done with the indoor unit, we can take a look at the outdoor unit. If this is connected to a furnace, this is only going to be for cooling, but if you have a heat pump system, we can take a look at this for maintenance for our heating season. So when we go outside, if there's any debris, we want to take that away from the system. We need to bring in that air from outside to disperse our cold air out. If there's anything overgrown in the area, we want to cut that back at least 18 inches. 24 inches is recommended, but 18 inches is fine as well. Once that is done, we can get our water hose and just rinse it. No pressure at all, just a regular pressure out of the hose. And we're going to start from the top and work our way down. Before we introduce water to the system, we do want to be safe and go to our breaker panel and turn off our AC unit. In some homes, we're going to have our filter grills in the ceiling. So with our ceiling returns, the one thing I like to do is turn my fan on. So if you go to your thermostat and just turn your fan on, what it's going to do is help you hold that filter in place so you're not struggling. We want to get a ladder. These are latches. This should open up. And then pull down our old filter. Filter's super dirty compared to our new filter. Again, we'll look at the size, which is going to be our 2030 by 1. It's a MERV 10 filter, and our airflow. It has return air, so return air is going into the system. The arrow is going to be pointed up. You filter in. And with that fan, it holds that filter in place so I'm not struggling with the grill and the filter at the same time. Easy. If you feel that you are in over your head with your AC or heating maintenance, you can always call Ideal Air and we'll help you out.